Hi Superstar, my name is Latoya Cooper. I am the owner of Think Pink Persona, and this video is for Marie, aka Can. Marie and myself have been following each other on TikTok for some time, and I've had a chance to get to know her and just be inspired by who she is and her gifts and her spiritual connection, and not only be inspired, but to feel like a student in many ways and just learning from her. And so I set up a consultation and I had a chance to speak with her. Just her present nature and her care and her heart in that time meant the world to me. And I will be setting up another consultation with her. I really consider her to be a spiritual leader in many ways. She's very passionate about what she does and she genuinely cares about your outcome. So thank you so much.